Video. Good afternoon. This is cause number 2016-11939 in the interest of Angelina, Juliana, and Javier Garcia. Please raise your right hand to be sworn, ma'am. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right. Please state your name and your relationship to the children.
It's Monica de Leon Garcia, and I'm the mother of all three of them.
All right. And representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Andrea Perard.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent is Orlando Garcia. Mr. Garcia is personally served on April 8th, 2022 at 3:08 p.m. at 1200 Baker Street in Houston, Harris County, Texas. He has not made an appearance or filed an answer, Ms. Perard.
That's correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. And Your Honor, at this time, the state would offer into evidence 6 Exhibit 1, which is a true and correct copy of the financial record involved in this case. And I believe one was tendered to Ms. Garcia for her review.
Yes.
Do you have any objections then, Ms. Garcia, of me admitting this into evidence?
No, sir.
All right. State's Exhibit 1 is admitted.
Thank you, Your Honor. At this time, the state would call Ms. Garcia. Ma'am, in regards to this court order, we are modifying your prior order from 2016 in order to add the child Xavier De Leon Garcia to this case. Is that correct?
Correct.
So in regards to conservatorship, the conservatorship that you've agreed to be with Mr. Garcia is joint managing conservator as to Xavier, and with you designating the residence for Xavier with a geographic restriction to Harris and contiguous counties. Is that your understanding and agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
And in regards to possession and access for Xavier, you have no objection to a standard possession order being entered in this case. Is that correct?
Yes.
Now, in regards to the prior order as stated, that was done, signed on or about March 1st of 2016. And in that prior order, Mr. Garcia was ordered to pay you child support in the amount of $675 and medical in the amount of $140. Is that correct?
Yes.
And since then, he has accrued arrears in the amount of $34,689.86 as of yesterday, October 4th, 2022, from that prior order. Is that correct?
I believe so. Yes.
And in regards to the child Xavier, you're not asking for any retroactive support for that child. Is that correct?
Correct.
So that would be a cumulative child support judgment in the amount of $34,689.86. And you're requesting that Mr. Garcia pay that back at $100 per month beginning November 1st, 2022. Is that your understanding and agreement?
Yes.
And also from that prior order from 2016, Mr. Garcia has accrued medical support arrears in the amount of $9,996.79 as of yesterday, October 4th, 2022. Is that your understanding?
Yes.
And you're not asking for any retroactive medical as to Xavier, is that correct?
Correct.
That would make a cumulative medical support judgment in the amount of $9,996.79 to be paid back at a rate of $100 per month beginning November 1st, 2022. Is that your understanding and agreement?
Yes.
And in that prior order, there was no dental support ordered. So those arrears are going to be 0, and you're not asking for any retroactive dental for Xavier either. Is that correct?
Correct.
With a cumulative dental support judgment of 0. Now we are modifying that CSRP order from 2016. It's been more than 3 years. It's also been a material and substantial change in that we are adding a third child to this case. Is that correct?
Correct.
Now, we've been able to confirm that Mr. Garcia is currently employed and that he works for Aerolift Machinery and is making an average of $3,374 per month. And how are these 3 children covered by insurance?
Medicaid.
We're going to order you to maintain that government medical assistance. We'll be requesting that Mr. Garcia reimburse the state at a rate of $236 beginning November 1st, 2022. Is that your understanding and agreement?
Yes.
And he has no additional children that you are aware of that lives with him or is court ordered to pay child support for. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. So giving him credit for the cost of that health insurance, your child support will be set at $786 beginning November 1st of 2022 for all 3 children. Is that your understanding and agreement?
Yes.
I believe that concludes the order, Your Honor. I pass my witness.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. All parties are excused.